everyone, welcome back to Banalytics Tips and Tricks. Today, we're diving into a common issue that can trip up even the most tech-savvy among us, when your Banalytics Video Management Software refuses to run. This can happen upon connection to your Banalytics server after login or after restarting the server. One of the main reasons Banalytics software might fail to restart is due to the configuration of the corporate PC on which it is installed. Corporate IT departments typically enforce strict security policies to control what software can run on company devices. Good news! You most probably won't have such problems with a personal PC running Banalytics software. However, if you use Banalytics in your company surveillance setup, refer to your IT department. In the description, you will find a link to the article with possible problems for why Banalytics software might not start. Feel free to contact us if you have a problem launching Banalytics, and see you next time.